Alright, got a little bit further on the S10. What I've been doing after I got the heads torqued down, trying to line up the rocker arms with these adjustable guide plates. You can see they're adjustable there. And also, I was checking the push rod length. With the Pro Comp heads on, I had 0.2 longer push rods in it. These heads call for a shorter push rod. I had some stock length push rods I tried. Actually, I tried the longer ones first. And the valve was running about, probably right there, the tip. Went to some stock ones and then it was up there. And I have these 150 longer push rods. Believe it or not, they came from the junkyard. There's a square body pickup in there that looked like someone was messing with the engine in. These push rods were laying in the cab. Now these are 150 longer push rods and they come out perfect. The wear pattern on the valve stem is right smack dab in the center. These are good push rods. The only problem is I only found 15 of them instead of 16, so I am a push rod short. I need to find a 150 longer push rod. If I had all 16 of them, you'd probably get this thing running pretty quick, but as you can see, I'm missing one. There's nothing there. Anyways, adjusting these things can be a pain in the ass because they want to move around on you as you tighten them down. But also, being, I'll put the light down here. Being the valve stems are down below eyesight, it could be a pain in the butt trying to line them up. And I came up with a nice little solution to that problem. This is this motorcycle mirror off my, I think these might be off my CB750. If not, they're off my CB350, but that doesn't really matter what it's off of as long as you have a mirror. You can set the mirror down in here. I can get it to stay. I kind of had it adjusted. There we go. We're different cylinders. You can see by looking at the mirror there, you can look right at the valve stems and get rid of this glare. This might be hard to do. Actually, I need to go and plug the light over there, so hang on a second. Alright, I unplugged that light on the wall over there. Now you can look right down at the valve stem and the roller and see it's dead perfect on. So that worked out real good using that mirror, because first I was trying to put my head down in there and that didn't work too good. Couldn't see what I was doing. And it's starting to give me a pain in my neck. It's basically doing all this stuff is a pain in the neck. A lot of times it's just a straight up pain in the ass. Well, I'm going to work on getting all the rocker arms back on. Adjust all the valves but one, because I don't have a push rod. I don't know if all 16 of them were in the pickup when they brought it in the junkyard, but knowing my luck, some dumbass picked one up and wung it or did something with it. So. Who knows? I don't even know if they sell single push rods anymore. They used to, and then all of a sudden they got to where you gotta buy all 16, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I managed to get all the valves adjusted. I did end up finding a push rod. Had to go to the local machine shop to get it. I could not find the one that I had anywhere, so it's just easier to go get another one. Now that all those are adjusted, I need to get the intake put on. I need to clean it up and clean the box covers up. We'll be getting along, almost done. We didn't get it running today. You have a 15mm wrench? Did you have a 15mm wrench? Where the hell did it go? It's been hanging on the wall there.
No, I didn't use it. It'll be around here somewhere. As Chris said, or Todd. I haven't used any wrenches off the wall for a while. I didn't use the 15 on Todd's car.
What's that?
So I didn't even use the 15 on Todd's car. There ain't nothing on it's 15.
Well, he's out there fucking around, so I need it. Don't have it.